Thanks, Mom. Happy Saturday. It is almost 12:30 and I just finished up a shoot for somebody at church. I did her headshots and they turned out really well. What you think, Mom?
Yes, very well.
Yeah, they turned out well.
Yeah.
And then, and now we are off to Ellicott City to meet with Kelly and Miss Joey. And we gonna go shopping. So we are in some antique store, and I'm here with the Kelly. And there's lots of cool stuff, but we just got coffee from Bean Hollow, and now we are just shopping around on Small Business Saturday.
I seriously feel like I licked an armpit. My mouth is like...
I don't think it's that bad, though.
The aftertaste is like...
Tell us how you really feel, Kelly.
I do have some mint.
How was the pizza?
like literally... I can't. I really can't. I don't know what kind of cheese.
We're leaving Ellicott City. Oh, thank you. We're leaving Ellicott City, and we just spent 10 minutes trying to get an Instagram shot, because
I'm picky, you know. Although I think we found a keeper, so...
I think out of the 50, I think we got one.
She's a trooper.
No. But yeah, so we are going to say goodbye, which is incredibly sad. But Christmas is right around the corner.
I know, only a couple more weeks, so it'll be okay.
I completely forgot that I had bought this. Oh my gosh. Bought this adorable, like, tree garland? I don't know. But I think it puts the finishing touch on the mantle. And I'm not sure, but maybe we'll take that down and put the wreath up there. We'll see. We are at Cheeseburger, and we just ordered grilled cheeses, onion rings, and a burger. Kyle's here. Alright, so she thinks that our waiter keeps staring at me, which I'm normally the one who says someone's staring at me. It's right over there. He just gave me the googly eyes. Alright, Ray. Mom, please confirm that our waiter definitely wanted a slice of stick. He wanted a big ass piece of my pie. He did. Just kidding, I'm just kidding. We've only spent like 10 minutes in the towel section picking out hand towels for the bathroom. Oh yeah, the only thing we came in here for. Moving right along. Yeah, so we ditched Kyle. No, I'm just kidding. He just didn't want to go to Home Goods.
You can find him right over there.
Yeah.
Right?
He's walking in the car. Wow, I look amazingly tan. Let's all appreciate this for a moment. Look how tan I look. That's not real. Hello everyone, it is 4:15 p.m. on Sunday, and I'm just starting this vlog because technically I just woke up. I've had the ultimate lazy Sunday. I woke up at like 11, came downstairs, ate a bagel, went to the bathroom, plopped myself back on the couch, and then fell asleep until now. So I'm off to Starbucks to get that like nasty nap taste out of your mouth. Which I guess I could make a cup of coffee at home, but I kind of want a frappuccino because it's the end of the weekend and I've got a lot of work to do, so, which I didn't do anything and I had all day, so I'm just gonna suffer for now. Good afternoon. It is almost 2 o'clock and I got up this morning and I babysat until like 11:45. I grabbed lunch, and then me and my dad were doing some stuff on the computer for a while. So I just got ready to go. I have to babysit another child tonight from 4:45 to 9:45, but I have some errands to run. I have to go to the post office for Ray, and I have to go to Hobby Lobby and the thrift store. So, let's go. Good morning. It is 10:45 on only Tuesday morning, which it feels like this week is going by so slow. And look, there's a little baby. Hi. 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 Oh, that was a heavy sigh. Bless you. So we're watching The Voice.
I'm gonna fast forward a little.
Oh my god. I'm stressing out because
Like Zach more.
Brayden! Oh, look how cute he
He
is.
is cute. Zach's cuter. Yay!
Okay. But now we need Brayden. Oh, mommy,
Okay,
Brayden's in
you're
the
screaming in my ear. Ow, ow, ow.
Good afternoon. It is almost 1:30 on Wednesday morning. Wednesday afternoon. And I have to get so close to the scene. I'm so short. So I am off to the gym. Get a workout in. I haven't worked. Okay, I already did that. I have not worked out since the summer, which is pathetic. And last time that I was all motivated to work out was, oh god. Okay, I'm just gonna stop for a minute. Last time that I was motivated to work out was when Ray left for Warped Tour and I was trying to fill stuff with my time. And I'm actually very busy this time that he's gone, but I do want to work out. So I am grocery shopping and I'm breaking the #1 rule of grocery shopping when I'm hungry. And I was doing so well, I've gotten like greens and ham and yeah, and now I'm in the chip aisle. Hello again, excuse the nap. You know what I'm saying? Like when you just wake up from a nap that I should not have taken and then you're just like, can't be bothered. But I wish I had filmed it. I just put some chicken in the oven. I don't cook, I bake. I don't cook, that's for sure. So we'll see how this turns out. But I'm making Parmesan crusted chicken, rice pilaf, and green beans. So we just had dinner. Marmy, what did you what did you
It was
think?
delicious. You did a great job.
Nailed it. Hello again. Nothing much to report. I just made a doctor's appointment and I'm waiting for my mom to get back so I can have my car. So I can go to class. But I'm so excited because it's my second to last class and I just like, we're getting our Christmas tree this weekend and I can just feel, well, plus we have like all this and my dad got a wreath today and I can just feel the holidays coming. And I'm so excited, but yeah, nothing too exciting to report. Good morning, it is 10:09 and not the best start to the day at all. I woke up and I'm going into DC today to meet this girl from Instagram for coffee and I woke up and I was like, I'm gonna throw up, but I think I was just hungry because my dad made me like a peanut butter sandwich and now I feel better and I'm gonna like chug this bottle of water and there's a man staring at me. Whatever, dude. I'm going to Baked and Wired today with this girl, Kelsey from Instagram. So, it should be a lot of fun, chatting, meeting, doing all the things that you do. With new people, new friends. Hey. And now this other girl is staring at me. The passenger. They're probably like, this chick. Let me be. Let me be. So I am just walking around Georgetown right now. I had so much fun with Kelsey. I think that we are going to be the best of friends. She's awesome. But yeah, I'm just walking around doing a little shopping. Alright, so I'm gonna end this vlog. I'm crying. We're laughing so hard. We just made all of these cookies. I got a little confused. But okay, I can't flip the camera. I got a little confused about regarding the beard, but this one I did okay on. This one looks horrible. Yeah. Hey Mom, you're wearing the same sweatshirt.
It's my baking sweatshirt.
But now that I feel like I'm gonna throw up from laughing so hard because she's had something stuck in her teeth, it's still there. Oh my god.
Just a sprinkle.
Yeah. So, we'll see you tomorrow.